Welcome to Design Curious. Hello, my dear friends. A few days ago, I received an exclusive invitation from Canva to test their beta version of Canva AI. This powerful AI feature is currently being rolled out and will soon be available for all users. I was super excited to try it out, and in this video, I will take you through my experience using Canva AI to create stunning presentations. Stick around to see how AI is changing the way we design. I started my Canva AI journey by testing its presentation making abilities. First, I gave it a simple topic: create a presentation on fitness and health. Within seconds, Canva AI generated a complete presentation with well structured slides, perfectly chosen fonts, and a clean professional layout. It was fast and efficient. What makes it even more powerful is that you are not stuck with just one design. With a few clicks, you can tweak the layout, change templates, and customize colors until you find the perfect match for your brand or style. Once the presentation is ready, you can still edit it manually within Canva and add the finishing touches. Next, I wanted to see how Canva AI handles content generation. So I tested Magic Write, Canva's AI powered writing tool. I asked it to generate content on the benefits of morning walks. In just a few seconds, it provided well structured, informative text, similar to what you would get from ChatGPT. This is a game changer for anyone who struggles with writing or needs quick content ideas for presentations, blogs, or social media posts. But here's where it gets even better. I then took this AI generated content and asked Canva AI to convert it into a full presentation. And guess what? Canva AI did it in no time. It automatically designed slides with bullet points, relevant images and graphics, charts, graphs, and smooth transitions. Everything remained fully editable, so I could customize the final design however I wanted. As I continued testing Canva AI, I noticed something really interesting. Every slide had a unique way of presenting content. Some used bullet points, other had images, charts, and graphs, all perfectly aligned with the subject. Canva AI also offers endless customization. You can keep tweaking elements, adjusting fonts, and changing layouts until you land on the perfect design. Whether you are in marketing, sales, social media, business, or technology, this tool will revolutionize how you create presentations. Another exciting feature is Canva's integration with ChatGPT. If you have not seen my previous videos on this, make sure to check it out. It explains how Canva leverage AI to generate ideas, designs, and even marketing materials in seconds. Canva AI is evolving rapidly, and I'm sure we will see even more mind blowing features in the future. Well, to sum it up, Canva AI is truly a game changer. Whether you need to create presentations, write content, or enhance your designs, text to images, AI is here to help. And the best part, you don't need any design experience. I will keep exploring Canva AI and sharing more tips in upcoming videos. If you want to see more cool features, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. And if you are excited about Canva AI, drop a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.